Aiming at me, both of them now. I'm being ambushed. I am in a very vulnerable position down low in the valley. They've got the advantageous spot up top. And I'm about to get shot. Oh! Shot the camera. Nice shot, son! Oh gosh. They've reloaded. Oh, missed me that time. Come on down. I got all the bullets now. Uh-oh, another sniper. It's the mini sniper. Oh, he missed me. Hello there.
I'm reloading.
Okay. Oh gosh. Oh, got me in the leg. Maybe I should go see what they're doing. Let's go see what they're doing. Pardon the mess here in the bonus room. We're having a Lego party.
He's here. Section bullet.
Gee, what are you doing? Oh gosh.
Target. Now.
Oh! Got me in the groin. Thankfully, I was covering myself.
Sorry. We can be brothers.
Nah, I got my big baby.
Dude.
Oh gosh.
Dude.
What?
You're missing something. Then I get 2.
So, I get 12 bullets.
So.
Make that 13.
Make that 100.
100? It's not actually possible. But,
Where are you going to be shooting from?
Me.
Oh boy.
Up.
He's got the big guns.
with 13 bullets.
13 bullets?
Yeah. So
I only have 1 suction bullet.
Should I run and hide now?
Yeah.
Should I? You wouldn't shoot a man with glasses, would you?
Yeah, I've got some.
Oh, I don't have my glasses on, do I? Darn it, I gotta get my glasses on. Oh! Shot in the chest.
Better run.
Nice shot, son!
Better run.
You've become quite the Deadeye. Oh! Got me in the hand. I better retreat. Oh, just missed me. Oh gosh. Hey, you're shooting left-handed. I like that. Where is who?
Target.
Moving target. Oh, you missed me.
Aiming target.
Oh, got me in the hand. Oh, missed me.
I'm out. I'm out.
Oh, I got a couple more.
Oh gosh! Right in the forehead. I'm trying to hold the phone, the camera, the way. Ow! Ow! In the head again. Dang. In the eyebrow. Nice shot, son! As I lose my eyesight. No! In the hair! Ah! In the ear! Oh, Oh, God. I don't know that I can take your good shooting. He's out in the shoulder. Oh! Oh, right on the top of the head. Oh, God. Oh, yeah, he's out of bullets. Oh, Coley. Oh, that was a high-powered rifle, too. Come on, Cole. Big stinker butt.
I am gonna kill you. It takes a little bit.
Oh, got me in the hand. Oh, Coley's out of it now. All right, well, that was some fun.
You dare.
Don't me dare what?
I am not.
Turn it off.
I am not.
Turn it off?
Bullet.
Why? I've got to
I am
patch
not
my...
bullet.
You're not out of bullets? Oh, no, not from point blank range. Ah! No! In the finger. Die! Oh, good. That one shot a blank. Die!
How many times did I get you in the face?
Like 4 in a row.
100.
Actually, 3 in a row, and I got 4 another time.
All right. Well, I'm going to stop now.
No!
Well, yeah.
We're reloaded. See?
I know. We'll pick it up here in a minute. Yeah.
Wait, I'll bring you that an eye patch.
You bring me an eye patch?
Yeah.
I need an ear patch and a forehead patch, a couple of Band-Aids, and all that shooting practice is... No. Oh! That was not cool, dude. We're stopping. No.